Hi, welcome to the Digital Transformation course inside the Green Youth Employability Program. As you know, we are co-founded by the Union, and I'm Joan Bosch. I'm an expert from the organization Alcira on Europe. We are from a small town close to Valencia in Spain, and the project is coordinated by the entity Scambio Europei, which they are based in Bologna, in Italy. Let's start with some introduction about the course and about the different modules. Green Youth Employability Program. It's founded by the the main goal is to provide young people with some competencies for the green transition. You will have several courses about sustainable life, urban farming, digital transformation, vegan food and cuisine, and some skills development from the green competencies, and also about circular economy. In this course, we are focused on digitalization and digital transformation. The main objectives of each course are to identifying and knowing about the different key technologies that you can use in digital projects, learning how to improve process, and also how to learn about big data and how to extract patterns and trends for you to generate an action plan. Then also, which is the impact of that actions, not just in the economical perspective, but using a point of view, including also the impact in society and our world of the planet. Right? Then we will learn some concepts about strategy and business models, and then also we will learn how to develop like a dashboard in order to track the KPIs or key performance indicators in order to evaluate the results. So we are related, the digitalization course is related with several different jobs or positions, but some interesting options that you can work in after learning about digital projects, digital transformations, with this course, for the trainings. Some of the interesting career paths that you could use are business intelligence analysts. They are profiles that are growing in popularity, and each time there are need for more controllers, analysts, etc. Then, if you are if you love computer science and coding, another career path that developer. Also, there are roles related with consultancy, both in processes and strategy, and also in tech consultancy. And then for sure, you can start your own startup and becoming an entrepreneur inside the green economy. The digital transformation course is divided in four different axes or modules. The first one is digitalization, then we will see the big data module, sustainability, and the last one is about some skills that you will need in order to success in this field of digital project transformations. What can we you expect to learn? The learning outcomes are those five. They are quite similar to the main objectives of the course. But inside the first module, we are going to learn about the new, most new technologies that you can apply in your project. Then how we align our business model and the strategy of our organization or company with the digital transformation project. Then we will learn about the process improvements using digital tools, and then we will use some uh, skills, and we'll learn some basic concepts about agile methodologies, project management, and then we will understand how digitalization affects or impacts both positive or negative people, and how we train and develop our teams, coworkers, or customers in order to be successful in the process. Okay, so we'll have 5 lessons about introduction technologies, company strategy, process design optimization, systems technology and deployment, and the last but not least, people training and motivation. Regarding to the second module, sustainability, we are going to learn how to measure the return on investment of digital projects, in both, as I said before, economic, social, and environmental. Will be 3 lessons in bite-sized sessions for each topic. Then we will see the module 3, which is about big data. We will start by understanding what's big data, what's analytics, and how to gather data, collect data from different sources, and then which tools could we use in order to visualize in a panel, and how to identify patterns and extract the insights that lead us to the action, and then how to develop that action plans and how to evaluate the process or the results in the future. Well, we'll have 4 lessons and divided in some videos for each one. With the first one, it's about data sources, where is data, and how could we access it, then the ETL process, how we extract it, transform it, and prepare the data in order to then load it. After that, we will see which tools could we use to visualize that data and extract some conclusions, and how to develop action plans. And the fourth module, we will see some skills. I encourage you to do also another course, which is about green competencies and the skills, which is very interesting. And she's my one coworker, Barbara. She has prepared that course. But in this one, we are going to learn some best practices or some skills that, from a technical point of view or from a strategy and technology point of view, are interesting for you to learn them. As an introductory, as you see, it's just 30 minutes for each one, about change management, systemic thinking, communication, and leadership, which are concepts that are very related with the digital transformation projects inside a company, and it's key for you to know something about all of them, because you will need it for sure. Okay. And thank you very much. Here is my contact data. I encourage you to send me an email or to contact in LinkedIn. And also you can send us all of your doubts, questions, and everything you need to the project Green Youth Employability website and the learning platform. Thank you, and I invite you to follow the next videos, and I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you.